right, so I know everyone's really intimidated by this weapon-like tool, but I want to tell you a little bit about my entry into Mace. So everyone's got to start somewhere. When I first started swinging Mace, I had years of club experience, and I had this motor pattern of I knew what to do with clubs, but I didn't know what to do with Mace. So when I performed what's called a 360 swing, which is smoothly looks like this, block, dump, pull, I actually whacked myself in the head with the Mace. I survived, don't worry, but I just want to remind you that everyone's got to start somewhere. There's no ego in this. You might start with a wooden mace or a dowel to really map those motor movements in your body, but I guarantee if you train with a mace and you train consistently, you're gonna open up a whole another vocabulary of movement that you've never even experienced before, and you're really gonna tap into flow state. So give it a chance, check your ego at the door, and we'll see you at the virtual studio at Flowshala.